Hello.
You decide to pick a fight with a finger and immediately realize you have zero tactical experience. You're outnumbered and the dog is clearly the supervisor. You're ready for a walk, but your human is still debating whether they want to put on pants or just have another cup of coffee. The dog has better situational awareness than the baby and realizes he is now the official safety gate.
О, она ее придушила.
You're trying to be the main character, but your tail has a mind of its own and decides to start a fight with a neighbor. You're a dog. Every household chore is a potential belly rub opportunity if you're brave enough to challenge the vacuum. My dog doesn't bark at the vacuum, he just treats it like a personal masseuse, and honestly, you're trying to meet a deadline, but your supervisor demands 100 of your attention and a chin scratch. Working from home is a constant battle for personal space that I am clearly losing. The dog has read more parenting blogs than you have and decides to take matters into his own. You're trying to look tough for the gram, but your ears have a mind of their own the second you see the scissors. Proceed with head scratches immediately or face the ultimate side eye.
No. That's life.
Ooh, sneak attack corner.
Dun.
You're trying to have a moment with your favorite child, but the other one is a literal jump scare. You're the manager, but the customer service is still rough, so you have to step in and personally quality control the inventory.
Two bad bitches be friends. I love seeing two bad bitches, two bad bitches, two bad.
You realize the tiny human you were promised is actually just a permanent. You're trying to be the main character, but the local wildlife is unimpressed with your parkour.
Jelly. Jelly.
You're gonna break my stride. Nobody gonna slow me down.
German Shepherd is performing a thorough 50-point safety inspection. You're trying to find your phone in the snow, but realize you don't even have pockets. Your little brother starts acting up in front of company and your mom decides the playdate is officially over.
Uh-oh, here comes your mom. Whoa, she just...
The School bus pulls up and you realize your protection detail takes their job way too seriously. Guard dog? You have a 9 a.m. court date for being too good of a boy, but your lawyer says to look as innocent as possible.
She's just having too much fun.
Your cat thinks it's a cobra but forgets it only has a 3-inch reach. This is what happens when you watch too many kung fu movies and none of them involve a snake with a better reaction time. Just a cat trying to slap the danger noodle into another dimension. The show is so good even the bodyguard is invested in the plot.
Classic bitch, but they know I be outside with it. Honeybee in the session.
The service is slow, so you start aggressively flipping the bowl to let management know you are about to leave a 1-star review.
Tá gelado, tá vendo que ela soltou? Tá gelando. Ela querendo cuspir. Ih, ela não gostou. Ela não gostou. Ai, tira da boca dela. Tira da boca dela. Ela nem comendo.
You're trying to act casual, but you accidentally let the intrusive thoughts win for a split second. You spend 9 months worrying if the dog will be jealous, but he immediately decides the tiny human is his new favorite pillow.
We're halfway there.
Huh?
Oh, we're halfway there.
Calculations were made, but man am I bad at math.
You show me.
You're trying to act tough, but the mid-yawn sneeze hits you like a freight train. Trying to mind your own business, but the orange cat energy is reaching critical levels of chaos behind. You try to be affectionate, but your dog thinks you are a flavored snack. Forget that the hand that feeds you is also the hand that makes the perfect. You are 90% sure that is a potato and not a human, but you are.